Greetings, it is I, Susie Q. We are focusing on ontological studies. This will be part two of a series with ontological studies. So we're working with a life assessment, going into domains of concerns, recurring and permanent concerns. So the first one we're going to be working with is with the body, right? So just all about here I am. I'm here on planet Earth. I'm planted here and I'm accessing my body, my divinity, my sovereign self. So we're going to go into a little bit more guidance about the body related to ontological studies. So, body is, it reflects the concern that we have physical needs that require maintenance within one's DNA and physical limitations. Subdomains may include, all right, so we've got a few here, body appearance, energy, sleep and adequate rest, levels of fitness, amount of exercise, and nutrition. So we're going to get started. So we've got these different things that we're working with the body. We're going to begin at the right now with body appearance. So what are you noticing about your body when you look in the mirror, or when you start realizing, what's changed, from time to time? So when we were little, we were like little Susie, and then you get a little bit older and you have a different experience with your body. And so with your body appearance, what are you looking at? What are you experiencing? What are you visualizing for your body appearance? Maybe you need to do something different, or maybe you're in the perfect space. I mean, who knows? But what else can you do related to your body appearance? The second one is all about energy, right? So all of us know it's like all of us are just, all we are is for like freaking energy. We happen to have a body, we happen to be on a planet, but this energy is really, really impactful. So with you, whatever you're working with related to energy, what would you say about the energy you have right now, or what else would you do with energy? Maybe it's kind of low energy. How can maybe clear up some of that vibe, maybe get more alignment with higher states of consciousness, or higher states of frequencies, or higher states of illumination of light? Maybe some of that might come through. But whatever you're working with energy, is we really suggest that you can do the very best you can. And maybe if you're kind of like, again, low energy or low vibing, you can start maybe doing something different. You can do something different with movement, with really accessing your beautiful state of sovereignty, right? Okay, so the next one is sleep and adequate rest. So, what time are you going to bed at? What time are you waking up at? What does it feel like when you're getting ready to go to bed? Do you have nervousness before you go to bed? I mean, I totally pass out. I go to bed like at 8 o'clock, right? And then I wake up super early in the morning, because that's my Ayurvedic time for me to have a better experience with the body. So with sleep and adequate rest, what else is going on with you? Are you able to go to sleep immediately, or do you have to do you have concerns before you go to sleep, and maybe you can't go to sleep because you've got concerns? All of these things may be showing up. So when we're focusing on that sleep and adequate rest, it's really important for us to have a really great, I think, platform, how we can go to sleep, how we can have a better time going to sleep, and then also getting more guidance, possibly through our dream state, with regular dream state or with lucid dreaming, and we get a lot of guidance from that. So that might be something for you to consider with the dreams, and just noticing from your sleep state that you're getting guidance all the time. With all of these things, the body is giving us guidance, the energy is giving us guidance, the sleep and adequate rest is giving us guidance. So all of this energy is supporting each one of us. The next one is a level of fitness. So what are you doing with fitness? Are you in some sort of a fitness class? Are you doing yoga? Are you a walker? Are you just engaging with nature? Maybe you like to climb. You like to. We're right there by the Papago Buttes, and that's a beautiful place. But what would be best for you if you want to go into some sort of level of fitness? I think for myself, I kind of want to get back into yoga. I was a yoga teacher and a yoga therapist a number of years ago, and I've been kind of like in a different space. Anyway, so what would you do for fitness? What would be your favorite thing that you would want to do for fitness? I mean, we've got people that do pure barre. We've got all kinds of different activities, probably where you're located. The next one is, what is the amount of exercise? It's really up to you. How much time do you have to have a little bit of exercise? Maybe you've got a bike, or maybe you're just a walker, or maybe you're doing yoga, or you're doing something else. So that amount of exercise, it could be whatever you feel is right for yourself. Does it need to be 30 minutes? Does it need to be, does it need to be an hour? So just notice what your body is telling you. Your body is always giving you guidance. It's always saying, do I need to go into a pool and just relax and do some swimming? I would say that sounds perfect. That sounds perfect. So you start getting the guidance, and it's from the body. Your beautiful divinity is giving us more understanding and teaching us about what we're supposed to be doing. The final one is about nutrition. So I work with a chiropractor. I live with a chiropractor. We have a lot of nutrition. And so, nutrition, it's all whole food nutrition. And I'm able to give scripts to people based on what's happening with their experience, or with their frequencies, or with their harmonization of beautiful states of consciousness. All of this is really, really powerful. Now, we have a lot of nutrition. And I think since I was back in Texas, I think I look a little bit better than I was back in Texas. I don't know if I was super stressed out or freaked out or whatever, but nutrition has really been supporting me in a beautiful, divine, and lovely way. So nutrition is very, very powerful. We encourage you, if you are doing nutrition, is to be sure that it's whole food. It's whole food. So there's nothing else that's in there that we don't understand. So if you can just look at just a bottle of some of this whole food nutrition, you'll just see that it's all whole food. So all of that is pretty amazing. So we're going to go back and reflect a little bit more about today's session. Ontological studies are what we're working with, and this will be part 2. It's a life assessment. It's domains of concerns. It's recurring and permanent concerns. And today is all about the body. And I'm just going to say it again. All right, so it's about the body. Reflects the concern that we have physical needs that require maintenance within one's DNA and physical limitations. Subdomains can include body appearance, energy, sleep and adequate rest, level of fitness, amount of exercise, and nutrition. And I think that's it. Anyway, so have a great day, and namaste.